All right, boys and girls. So what you're going to do on your own is you're going to have 20 of these word cards. And you're going to take all 20 of those words and spread them out all over your desk. And you're going to sort them into alphabetical order or ABC order. So you're going to look at the first letter, like in flower, there's the letter F. And also fresh has F. So you're going to need to then look at the second letter. After you get them all sorted and in order on your desk, with a friend, you're going to double check each other and make sure that you have them in the right order. Okay? So over here is your paper where you're going to write the words. So here are your words that you've sorted already. And then over here, now you actually have to write them on the paper. You also want to make sure that you spell them correctly because they're right there on the card. There are 20 of them, but before you start writing, you have to make sure they're in ABC order or it will mess up all of your problems when you get writing, okay? So put them in order with the cards. You can use your hands, move them around, and then you're going to come over and you're going to write them on your paper, okay? All right, have fun.